Looking for a reliable and affordable solution for your lab's mixing needs? Meet the refurbished Herolab UVT-20 Orbital Shaker from Galileo Scientific. This compact lab essential features adjustable speeds from 30 to 300 RPM, with pinpoint +1 RPM accuracy, giving you full control over your mixing. It's built to handle up to 3 kilograms of samples, perfect for a wide range of biology, chemistry, and clinical applications. The 200 by 200 millimeter platform works with a variety of accessories, while the 20 millimeter orbital motion ensures smooth, uniform mixing every time. With its bright LED display and digital controls, setting timers up to 99 hours and 59 minutes is quick and easy. Plus, the whisper-quiet, maintenance-free motor means less downtime and more focus on your work. This Herolab UVT-20 has been fully reviewed, reconditioned, and serviced by our in-house specialists at Galileo Scientific. So you get proven performance without the brand new price tag. Precision, reliability, value. That's the Galileo Scientific.